it's the Catholic Church. It's very big. Very big. How many people can enter here? Unbelievable. So that is where they are praying for prayers. My room hotel, single room. That is the wardrobe. Where is the light? Okay, I have to put the card in. Then so that's the wardrobe. That's my wardrobe. Extra toilet paper. Extra. That is the safe and the Bible. So that's the mirror. The mirror is very hot. It's very hot. And my small bag. It's nice hotel. No, inside. Okay, nice light. Telephone, small LG TV, and refrigerator. It's a fridge. It's not on. The view of the train station at parking place. So that's the relaxing chair. The bathroom is quite big. That's the bathroom. Hair dryer. My camera is... So guys, I was showing you the bathroom, and then my battery went low, and I forgot the charger at home. So this was the bathroom. This is the bathroom for the hotel. I'm going out to drink something, some cocktail. It's dark. Yeah, that's the bathroom. It's big. It has a big floor. This is the view. Mess. I'm a piano fan. I'm a piano for sure. So this is the relaxing chair. This is I'm just here only for 2 days. Today I went to the dorm and so I'm back. This is the ship that I will take, and the other one there that is riding is shipping only the cars. I don't know where, you know. A promise spot. A promise spot. So this is this young lady here. Her name is Christina. She wants to show you the corn. Okay. Now I'm in the spot area, love spot area in Hafen. So here it's like a German traditional, I don't know, I'm not sure about it, but here couples buy the log and then they write their names, or they take it somewhere where they can write their names, and then they put the log here in this wire, or I don't know what they call, and then they throw the key in the river or somewhere where they cannot find it, and then it's like a commitment. So here I am, Christina. That's a nice place. The weather was nice, but not too hot. This is what I'm wearing, a sport clothes, because I work too much. Yeah, here I was waiting for my tour, boat tour. So this, you see guys, how long and how big is this thing. This is really crazy. I like this traditional, but I don't believe much. But now, yeah, for me it's not my thing. Oh yeah. See, very long. Same thing in the other side. They write, and also in the other side. Can you see? Of the train station. You'll never same finish. Thing, long. Wow. Anyways, it's a nice thing, and it's only about believers. I don't believe, but of course it's nice. But I don't believe. It's very long. It's everybody want to do this. Even also in Paris, they are doing same thing. There, it's a nice bag, a black bag, handbag. They put the hand somewhere. I don't know. Maybe somebody lost it or something like that. Yeah. Hey guys, so now I'm in the ship, small ship tour. So they are showing us and explaining to us about the buildings there in Cologne, and all the things. We are inside the ship. It's just a small ship or a boat. Yeah, it's nice, clean, beautiful. And the toilet cleans, the service is nice, and it's very cheap, this tour. They have a lot of different tours there. A boat ship, or a boat tour, sorry, a boat tour. The other ones are like they make parties inside with a musician, but you have to book later and it's not every day. But this one I took, it's every day because I didn't have a time. It's everything, fast things, to see things before I go back home. I order a coffee, so I'm drinking my coffee. This is it. It's very nice. The weather is nice. Everything is nice. We are just watching from the camera and check everywhere. That was my tour. That was my 2 days tour in Cologne. It was good adventure. I love it. I like it. I can do it again, maybe in another city. I like to travel to see the places. 1 day, 2 days, a weekend, getaway. It's nice. I like that. And I'm always ready to walk to do this. I enjoy this cafe. So guys, stay with me and please enjoy my tour. They are explaining everything. I don't know if it's possible that you can hear everything they are explaining about this tour, the buildings and everything. It's English. They are explaining of English.